Welcome back to the Muse and Greg and to the next video in this mini-series on the top 5 things I hated and fixed about the Mitsubishi Pajero. Make sure you like and subscribe so you don't miss the next video when it's released.
Number 2.
Now this is a really hard one to split between number 1 and number 2 because these were both really irritating things I found when we first bought this Pajero. But I'm going to put this one in number 2 and say it's this stupid tray that normally sits in here, and straight away you can see the solution that I've come up with, and I'm not the only person to have this sort of solution. Lots of other people have had this problem and come up with their own solution, but it's so annoying. The original piece that sits in here, it's really small. It's got enough space for a credit card on one side and a very small little compartment on the other side, not big enough to put the most important thing that everybody needs to store, their mobile phone. So we've got enough room in this holder for 2 mobile phones, one side by side. You could even stack them up if you need to. It's a pretty basic solution, as there's lots of other people that come up with solutions that are more elegant. They've got spaces for switches and all sorts of things. But I thought, let's just have a space here where you can put whatever you want in there, just a standard simple bin. And that's worked really well. I've got a friend to 3D print that up for me. Thanks, Aubrey. He did a really good job with this. I obviously had to, and this is not really a how to do it yourself, but you know, you could easily work it out. It's not too difficult. We had to take the cover off, the center console cover off here, and also this surround, obviously, to be able to get in from behind there to take the old piece out and then put the new one in there. If I get a chance, I'll see if I can put the 3D the model, the file for the 3D printing up on there in case you wanted to replicate it yourself. But that has made a real difference to the usability of the Pajero, because you just get in there and you put your things in there. Anything else you want to put in there, there's just loads of space. You could put sunglasses in there. There's space for all sorts of things in there. So that's made a big difference. So if you're thinking about getting a Pajero, I'd definitely recommend looking into putting something in there, because what's in there from a factory is really poor. So I hope that was helpful. Thanks for watching. Make sure you subscribe so you don't miss the next video in this series, and I'll catch you next time.